Hello, today is Wednesday, September 23rd, 2009, and this is the Sphinx Forex review for today. Um, Today was a dollar strength day and started in the London session, and gold and oil tanked pretty much all day long. I think gold, I forgot exactly how many dollars, but oil went down over $3 a barrel. So that's an inverse relationship to the strength of the dollar. So the dollar strengthened on the commodity weakness. So let's go ahead and look at the Euro USD. Uh, London came on around this area here. The MACD was a little flat, so we finally came across to the short side. Couldn't ask for a better short with the stop to go with it. Um, so here we go. Here's the low on this pivot point, which is 47.84. So 47.83 is going to be your entry, and your stop loss is going to be 1 pip above this high. The high is 48.06, so 48.07 going to be your stop loss. So here we go. This candle here brought us into the trade. Stop was never compromised. Let's see, 84, 94.04. So that's 23 pip stop loss. That's gonna be a 46 limit. 46 from 83. 46 from 83. 46 from 83. Hang on one second. So 37 is going to be the limit, which is, there it is, 38, 37. So here we go. Here we made a low. There's a stop loss. This candle brought us in, kind of hung around the pivot point for a little while, and then bang, gave you your move. So there was your short. Here's the fundamental. There was a fundamental announcement in the morning for the New York session, and here's what this was here, and brought the MACD back over to the high side. So nothing going on there. Then we came back short, and you can see that we never did touch the EMA here. So even though it touched here, we never made a new low. So you were out. Nothing happened here on the New York session. The pound, let's see, that's 20. So pound was pretty ugly. London picked in over here. Your short wasn't in play because your MACD was to the high side. This low was actually in play depending on how you managed it. No, it wasn't in play because you didn't breach that top EMA. So this was not an in play short. We did have an entry on the high side, and it looked like it would have been a loser. I wouldn't have played this big candle, but let's just look at it from the perspective of the rules. Here's the high. Here's the pullback. And so this candle here brought us in just a few pips above the entry, and then we got stopped out right here. I wouldn't have. This is a spike. That's news again, and then a dollar strengthened, and you never had a confirmed short because you could have this here breached, so you could have taken a low here, but you never made a new low, so that wasn't in play. So it don't look like anything was going on in New York, and most likely that was because the fundamentals this morning, and then there was a Fed interest rate announcement in the afternoon. Let's look at the euro yen. We probably should have had some action there. Let's see. Yeah, I hit a real nice short. MACD came over to the short side, 1 pip below here. 73 is the entry. Here's your breach. The high is 90, so 91. So 73, 83, that's not even a 20 pip stop loss. You can't complain about that. And then as soon as you breached the low, as soon as you made a new low here, it just blasted through. So this was good for 40 pips minimum, just this one candle alone. So that was a pretty clean move. Then on the long side, MACD crossed over, so 1 pip above here for the high. and then the stop loss is 1 pip below this pullback. This candle brought you in. Stop was never compromised. Let's see, 40, so it's at 30, so you're looking for 60. 60 plus this 70 is going to be 135. 135.30 is going to be your limit. 135.30. So we never got there on the limit side. You got close to, was at about 20 right there. What's this high? High is 21. So you're 9 pips short of, so that's 51 pips. I'll take that any day. I'll be happy with 30, much less 51. So that there was your euro yen. And then you actually have a short that's in play right now if you wanted to take it. MACD came across to the short side. Here's the low, which is 134.40, so 134.39 is going to be the entry. And then the stop is going to be 1 pip above the high. The high is 134.67, 134.68. And so we have 30 from there. So the limit is going to be up in this area here. And let's see, that's going to be 39, 49, 59, 69, 28, 28, 28 is 56. So we're looking at somewhere around up in this area here for a limit. So this short is actually in play right now on the euro yen pair. Let me look at the 60-minute on this pound, just so we can start looking at different time frames. No trade there yet. No trade there yet. No, you don't have anything going on the 60-minute here. Let's look at the 60-minute euro. Not a breach, so that's actually have been a nice trade, but it didn't breach the lower EMA, so that's not any good. Looks like we have a possible short setting up. We had make a new low. We look to go short, which will keep the trend intact from today. So if you make a new, and actually wait for this breach, so possibly a short setting up on the Euro USD. So anyway, that's all for today, and we'll see you tomorrow.